Wowza deals. Lisa Clampanelli. Oh, 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 they're slipping. Justin, they're slipping.
Doesn't look like it.
Yep.
Looks like you're just fine.
No, they were slipping, bud. They were slipping like a slip and slide. Who says that?
It's not good.
Yeah, that's how he says it too. I'll slip like a slip and slide over here. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, it's because it wasn't square before. See, that's nice. That's nice.
That's nice, eh?
Yeah.